Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to turn off reputation-based protection settings in Windows Security. First, click on the Start menu and type Windows Security. Then open the app from the search results. Once the window opens, look at the left side and click on App and Browser Control. This is where Windows manages protection for apps, files, and websites. Now scroll a little and find Reputation-based protection settings. Click on it to open more options. Here you will see multiple protection settings that you can turn on or off. The first option is Check Apps and Files. Turn this off if you want to stop Windows from warning you when you open unknown apps or files. Next, you will see SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge. Turn this off if you do not want protection while browsing in Edge. After that, find Potentially Unwanted App Blocking. Turning this off will stop Windows from blocking apps that it considers low reputation. Finally, turn off SmartScreen for Microsoft Store apps. This will disable checks for apps downloaded from the Microsoft Store. After turning off these options, you can close the window and your changes will be saved automatically. Thanks for watching.